In this video, I'm going to show you how to make tender, juicy, slow smoked lamb shanks. Now for this cook, we're going to be using our drum smoker. So we're going to start by setting that up. I'm going to fill our charcoal basket a third of the way full with some briquettes, bury a fire lighter, light it up, then I'll push our charcoal basket back in and open up both of our vents. All right, so while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to prepare our lamb shanks. We've picked these ones up from my local Drake supermarket, and all I'm going to do is take them out of the packaging, give them a light trim, and then get them seasoned up in your favorite barbecue rub. I'm going to be using some of our lamb layup, but if you don't have any of that, a bit of salt, pepper, garlic, and rosemary always does the trick on lamb shanks. Then once your lamb shanks are trimmed and seasoned, we'll let them sit until they're ready to go in the smoker. And now our briquettes have caught light and are burning nicely. We'll let our smoker come up to temperature, which for this cook, we want to be at around 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius. All right, now our smoker's up to temperature, we're going to open it up to get a nice little chunk of cherry wood on. Then we'll shut our fire access door again, get our lamb shanks on, and we'll close that intake vent down a little bit to stabilize our temperature. And now all we need to do for the next few hours is make sure our temperatures are nice and stable, which is super easy in a drum smoker. And apart from that, we're just going to let our lamb shanks go until they've developed a really nice color and that rub has set on the meat. All right, so our lamb shanks have been going for just under 3 hours. Got some nice drawback on the bone. That color is looking amazing and that rub has set on the meat nicely. So what we'll do is just shut the lid again for a moment. Then we'll come over to our cutting bench where in a tray, I'm going to put half a chopped brown onion, 1 diced carrot, 2 sticks of diced celery, 3 cloves of garlic, get our lamb shanks on, and then we'll pour in 2 cups of beef stock and 1 cup of red wine. And now we'll cover the tray in foil. And now we're going to finish our lamb shanks off in the oven at that same temperature until they're probing tender around that 96 Celsius or 205 Fahrenheit internal mark. And I'm choosing to finish them off in the oven because they're not going to take on any more smoke now this tray is wrapped in foil. And now I've shut the vents on our drum smoker. Any leftover briquettes I can save for the next cook. But if you really want to, feel free to finish the lamb shanks off in the smoker, but I'm going to work smarter and finish these off in the oven. All right, and after about 3 hours wrapped up in the oven, I reckon our lamb shanks are done, so let's check on them. Right, so those lamb shanks are probing nice and tender. So what we're going to do is carefully get them out and sit them on that foil. Then we're going to pour everything left in that tray into a saucepan. Then I'll use that empty tray to rest our lamb shanks in. And now everything in our saucepan we're going to hit with a stick mixer. Then I'll turn the heat on, let that simmer away for a little bit, and I'll thicken it up with some gravy powder. And once your gravy's done and your lamb shanks have had a little rest, you can serve them however you like. I'm going to go some classic lamb shanks on mashed potato covered in that gravy. So I'm going to keep 1 whole to serve on that mashed potato, and we'll pull one apart now. Well, there you have it. There's how to make smoked lamb shanks. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.